Hi there, Michelle Shine here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about enlightenment and let you know that you can do it yourself. It's also called self-realization, or being in oneness. And I'm actually doing an online enlightenment retreat with Bentinho Massaro. I'm also reading the Mooji book. I think it's Wider Than Sky, Vaster Than Space. And then also Eckhart Tolle's book, A New Earth. All of them kind of have the same guidance for how to enlighten oneself, how to get out of the monkey mind, how to get out of this constant reincarnation of consciousness into thought, and how we can really just stay in that unaffected consciousness state. And they all say it in different ways, so it's beautiful because it's very helpful in bringing that information in through different perspectives. It helps me like get a better grip of it, right? So I'm using these three methods, and I wanted to start sharing about my process with working through these methods and the things that are starting to happen, because if I can do it, you can do it. And that's what we all need to do, is enlighten ourselves and get to this pure conscious state. And I can't say that I'm completely enlightened yet. I'm on the path, right? I'm on the journey for sure. And things are starting to happen that I'm like, yes, okay, I get it. And then I can stepwise keep going. So anyway, this whole series is created so that you could follow my process and maybe use some of these methods yourself and start to enlighten yourself as well. And we can create a new earth that way of enlightened beings, which would be such a blessing. So feel free to look at this playlist, and there'll be more videos added as I'm inspired. And this is going to be a kind of a process that I'm in all the time, so I'll be sharing, and feel free to check out those books. And I'll put a link into the Bentinho course as well, and we can all do this together. All right. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for your efforts. And your efforts to enlighten yourself will benefit this entire planet, not just you, and it will be an amazing journey. So thank you for joining, and aloha.